today's Tune In Tuesday guest, I traveled to downtown Buffalo to the trendy Seneca One office building. Possessing quite possibly the best views of any office building downtown, I went there to meet with Dr. Irfan Khan, the founder of Circuit Clinical. Listen in as he talks about who and what Circuit Clinical is and what their relationship with providers looks like.
Circuit Clinical is a love letter to the idea that everyone deserves access to clinical trials. And so what we've built is a network of health systems that we operationalize to bring their patients clinical research as a care option. We bring them both the technology tools and the staff they need to be successful. I'm a cardiologist by training. I was fortunate to train in a great academic program in Cleveland. When I came to Buffalo to build my career, I was really interested in continuing that process of offering patients clinical research as a care option. And what we noticed over the years was that if you were lucky enough to be getting your care at the hospital or the health system that provided research as part of the care pathway, patients were very interested in it. But that's the slim minority of patients. Actually, less than 5% of patients ever see an option for a clinical research trial. So we started to experiment in bringing clinical research out to doctors' practices and asking patients where they get their health care. Bringing your patients clinical research as a care option is a really terrific way to both stay engaged academically with the bleeding edge of medicine, but to also make sure that your patients are choosing from a full slate of care options. And so the pro is that one is that it's brand enhancing. We know that patients respect health systems that perform clinical research. They see them as of higher quality whenever it's polled. More importantly is that you're actually filling out the patient value that you deliver because you have new options for your patients. And then thirdly is the academic interest that comes with it. We've managed to make it possible for health systems that thought they couldn't take on clinical research because of the cost or the operational risk or the business risk. We've taken those things out of the way and said, welcome to the network, and here's a way for you to create new value for your patients. The difficulties have been exactly the ones I mentioned before, that it's taken a lot of money to build a research program, taken a lot of time. It's difficult to get companies to trust you with their development program. And that's what Circuit solves for. We're trusted by major pharmaceutical companies and contract research organizations to bring research as a care option to new to research health systems. No, I was a nerd who liked to read a lot of books, played pretty decent chess for a while, and aspired, I think, to actually get something done. So no, I think it was really, for all you late bloomers out there, there's time. There's a lot of great restaurants here. In fact, Buffalo is home to more family-owned businesses and restaurants per capita than anywhere in the country. If I had to pick a recent favorite, it would be the Dapper Goose over in Black Rock. It's terrific.